What is going on, MTH Nation? 2013 F-550 Carfax certified, one owner and no accidents. 168,000 miles on a 6.7 diesel. Give you a tour here. Got a backup camera, cruise control, Bluetooth, air conditioning. We got power inverters. We got 1,114 idle hours. 4,507 engine hours. We got a Miller impact compressor, lots of storage, pull-out drawers. These cabinets are 21 inches deep. Outriggers are down. Give you a tour of your cargo area. Miller impact up front. Controls for your crane and outriggers. Does have a receiver. And take a peek at this side. We got our airline spool tucked in here. We got a maintainer H7024 crane. And let's come around here and give you a tour of these cabinets here. Ladies and gentlemen, this vehicle's been serviced, detailed, and is job ready. Give me a call today, 320-407-1440. My name is Lester, and I'm happy to help. Make it a great day, everybody.